Good afternoon, students. So today I will start the chapter exercise. Sorry, not the chapter, exercise 4b. The chapter is operations with large numbers. It has already started. I have already given you 2 videos and the PDFs. So I am starting the next exercise of this chapter. Chapter is some word sums. We have to do the word sums in this chapter. Okay, so before starting this exercise, I want to remember you that minuend is equals to what? Minuend is equals to what? Minuend is equals to minuend minus subtrahend is equals to difference, right? Suppose 5 minus 3 is 2, so 5 is the minuend, 3 is the subtrahend and 2 is the difference. Okay, I hope you all have remembered it now. So I'm minuend in short mean, okay, minuend minus subtrahend in short sub is equals to difference, shortcut in short diff. Okay, we can write this from here. Minuend is equals to subtrahend plus difference. Okay, again we can write minuend minus difference is equals to subtrahend. Okay, anything else we can write from here? No. So you have to remember these 3 formulas to solve this exercise. Okay, and you know the additions, subtraction for processes. I hope you all have remembered it. How can we do addition, how can we do subtraction, how can we find the missing digits? Okay, how can we find the operations with large numbers for 3 numbers, 4 numbers? Okay, at first add all positive numbers, next minus numbers, then subtract from minus number with it. Okay, sorry, subtract this from this. Okay, so now I am explaining one thing. Suppose if you ask 2 is how much short than 5, 2 is how much short than 5, 2 is how much short, how short than 5, so how can you do this? How this is how 2 is how much short than 5. How can you solve this? How much, मतलब 2 5 से कितना छोटा है, 2 5 से कितना छोटा है, 2 5 से कितना छोटा है? कैसे करोगे ये? 5 से अगर 2 को माइनस कर दो तो आंसर आ जाएगा हमारा 3. So what do I say? I can say that 2 is shorter by 3 than 5. 2 is shorter by 3 than 5. Clear? So when you have asked that any number how short than other number, then you have to subtract from the large number. You have to subtract from the large number. Okay, understand? So now I will start the exercise question. I think you all have remembered these formulas. Okay, so now I will start the chapter. Okay, come to the exercise. So this is exercise 4b and the question number 2a and 2b. So I'm just remembering the formula. Minuend minus subtrahend is equals to difference. Again minuend minus difference is equals to subtrahend. Again minuend is equals to subtrahend plus difference. Okay, these 3 formulas, these are the formulas. Okay, these are the formula for subtraction, anything. Now you have asked for 2. How much is this number short of this? मतलब ये नंबर से कितना छोटा है. तो how can we solve this? I have discussed before. I have discussed just. What should I do? So I have to do the subtraction. I have to subtract this number from this number, because suppose you have given 10 chocolates and your friend has given 7 chocolates. Okay, so if I ask that your friend, what is the number of your friend chocolate? 7. So if someone has asked that your friend chocolate how much short, तुम्हारा फ्रेंड के पास जो चॉकलेट है वो तुमसे कितना कम है, तो कैसे करोगे? तुम्हारे पास 10 चॉकलेट है और तुम्हारे फ्रेंड के पास 7 चॉकलेट है, तो तुम्हारे फ्रेंड के पास कितना चॉकलेट्स कम है कितना? अगर 10 से 7 को माइनस कर दो तो आंसर आ जाएगा. सो प्रोसेस समझ में आया? सो व्हेन यू हैव आस्क्ड वन नंबर इज शॉर्टर by how much one number is shorter than the other number, then you have to subtract from the large number. Okay, clear? Suppose you have given, again I am discussing, suppose you have given 10 chocolates and your friend has given 7 chocolates. You have 10 and your friend 7. So if someone now asks that your friend chocolates how much less than you, then you obviously say 3, because you have 10 and your friend has 7. That means you have 3 more chocolates than your friend. So how can you find this number 3? By subtracting 7 from 10. 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. So understand the process. So now here we have to subtract this with this. So 11, 20, 000, next 6, 24, 8, 0, 3. Subtract this, cut 1, 10, cut 9, 10, cut 9, 10, cut 9, 10. So 3, 10 minus 3, 7, 9 minus 0, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 4, 5, again cut 10, this will be cut 1, this will be 11. So 11, 2, 9, 10 minus 6, 4. So this is the answer. So understand the process. How can we do this? How much shorter means we have to subtract the smaller number from the large number. Clear? Okay, next number B. What should be added to this to make it this? Before starting I am giving an example. Suppose 5 plus 8. You ask what should be added with 5 to get 8. What should be added with 5? That is this empty place. What should be added here with 5 to get 8? How can you do this? Give me the answer. You can say easily that it must be 3. But how can you find this 3? By subtracting 8 minus 5. By doing 8 minus 5, that means that means result minus one number. So what should be added to this to make it this? That means this is the one number and this is the addition. So how can you get the other number? So the other number is, so this is one number, this is the addition. How can you find the other number? So to find the other number, we have to do the subtraction, addition minus one number. So this is the one number and this is the addition. What should be added? So here same example. What should be added here to get 8? Here 5 is given, 8 is given. You have to find this. So I can say this is 3. 5 plus 3 means 8. So how can you find this 3? If we subtract 8 minus 5, if we do 8 minus 5, that from this subtraction we can easily get 3. Okay. So in this process you can find the missing number. So this is one number, this is addition. So to find the another number, we have to subtract the one number with from the addition. So here what is the addition? Addition is this. That means 5, 23, 48, 540. And what is the 5, 2, 34, 8, 54. Now subtract this. 4, 3. This is 10. Okay, so next, so 6, 3, 5, not possible. This is 4 and that will be 13. 5, 13, 8, 4, 8. Subtraction not possible. That must be 7 and this will be 14. So 14 minus 8 now 6. 7 minus 4, 3 easily. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. 3 minus 2, 1. 5, 2 minus 5, not possible. Then it will be 4 and it will be 12. So 12 minus 5, 7 and 4. So this is the answer. Understand the process? This is 6. Understand the process? Okay. So when you have asked what should be added with this number, so how can to find this number? That means this must be the addition. So to get the another number, you have to subtract from the addition to the other number. Okay. 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 Next 1, 2. Next number 5. Maths number 5. What number should be subtracted from the sum of this and this to get this? So what number should be subtracted from the sum of this and this? So before starting, I can do the sum of these numbers because we have to find at first sum of this and this. You have asked what should be subtracted from the sum of this and this. So at first we can find the sum easily. So at first find the sum. 6, 4, 5 and 6, 3, 5, 4, 8, 9. 9, 5 is 14, 4, 1 will be carry. 3, 1 will be the carry. 6, 4, 10, 1, 11, 1 will be carry again. 5, 3, 8, 8, 1, 9. 9, 3 is 12, 1 will be carry. 8, 4, 1, 8, 9, 9, 6 is 15. Okay. So this is the addition. So we can replace sum of this and this by this. So now the question is what number should be subtracted from this to get this? So now, so what number should be subtracted from this? So this must be minuend. This must be minuend. What number should be subtracted from sum of this and this? So I have already done the sum. So sum is this, addition is this. So this is, I can replace this with this. So what number should be subtracted from this? So from means this must be minuend. To get this, so this is difference. So what we have to find? So we have to find now subtrahend. So what is the formula to find subtrahend? Subtrahend is equals to minuend minus difference. Check the formula. Subtrahend is equals to minuend minus difference. So this is the difference and this is with the minuend. So you can do easily 15, 29, 134 minus 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 minus 4, 3, 1, 9, 2, 5. So this is the answer. Understand the process? At first you have to do sum because you have asked what number should be subtracted from the sum of this and this. So at first we can easily calculate the sum. So I have already calculated the sum of the numbers. Now we can replace the sum of this and this by this number. So now the question is what number should be subtracted from this? So as what number should be from this? So from this means this is minuend. Okay. To get this, so this is the result. So that means the result means this is difference. So how can you find the difference? How can now what do you have to find? We have to find now subtrahend. What is the formula? Subtrahend is equals to minuend minus difference. So this is the minuend and this is the difference. So minuend minus difference. Easily get the result. Okay, next number 6. The population of a country was this in the year 2000. So this is the year 2000 population in this side year and this side population 5, 10, 37, 200. In the year 2010 population became 574, 69, 450. Now you have asked what is the increase in population, मतलब पॉपुलेशन कितना बढ़ा, पॉपुलेशन कितना बढ़ गया. 2000 में पॉपुलेशन था इतना, बट 10 में पॉपुलेशन हो गया इतना. सो पॉपुलेशन कितना बढ़ गया. सो हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व दिस. सपोज you have asked, you have two chocolates, but someone has given you some chocolates and now your chocolate is 10 chocolates. So how can you find the number of the chocolate which has given to you. मतलब the previous math same, you have given one number and you have given the addition, so you have to find the another number. So what is the process. 10 minus 2 is equals to 8, so the empty place must be filled with 8. Suppose you have 2 chocolates but someone has given you some chocolates and now your chocolates is 10. So you have asked how many numbers of chocolates has given by someone. So you can say someone has given me 8 chocolates, that's why 8 plus 2, now I have 10 chocolates. So how can you find this number 8? You can find this number 8 by subtracting, that means 10 minus 2. So similarly in 2000 population was this, but in 2010 population has become this. So what is the increase? So what is the increase? To get the number I have to subtract from this to this, that means 5, 7, 4, 6, 9, 4, 5, 0 minus 5, 1, 0, 3, 7, 2, 0, 0. 0, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 9 minus 7, 2, 6 minus 3, 3, 4, 6, 0. This is the answer. So understand the process. How can you find this? Okay. Okay. So your task is 1 to 6, but rest of the sums. Okay. I have already done number 2, number 5 and number 6. So you have to do number 3, number 1, number 3, number 4. This is your homework. Okay, 1, 3 and 4 maths you have to solve yourself. 1, 3, 4, because I have already done 2, 5 and 6. So thank you students. Do yourself.